Hi friends, hope you all are doing really well, and this video is about insurance domain project, and in this video I'm giving you the detailed description of the insurance domain project. So where you learn about how to test the insurance domain application and where what are the different modules to be tested in an insurance application. In this video you may learn all those things. So as we know, each and every insurance company relies more on various type of software that will help them to run their business, and this software applications help them in creating a new policies, enrollments of members, and policy administration, etc. So and before proceeding with that, I request you guys, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell icon button so that you'll get notified whenever I'll upload any video. And please like and share this video to your friends, and share to the this video with your friends, so that if they are not my subscriber and they wanted to learn about insurance domain, they may learn from this video. So yeah, let's quickly goes into the next slide, or the first slide. So what is insurance and the type of insurance? So insurance is defined as the equitable transfer of the risk of a loss from one entity to another in exchange for payment. So insurance company which says the policy is referred as an insurer, while the person or a company who avails the policy is called insured. So as we know, in what is the insurance, like for we like insurance is like we insure about any loss, and if there is a risk, like if you buy any entity or anything, like for example if you buy a car, so there's a loss, right? There's a risk of loss, right, in that. So that's when you go for an insurance, so that will insure you that to cover that loss. Okay, so in to cover that loss, what we'll be doing in exchange of payment, we'll be doing that, so that we will be having some less, like if we have a risk, we can reduce the risk. So, and in that insurance there are term called premium is used. So what is premium? Okay, sorry. Premium is defined as the amount to be charged for a certain amount of insurance coverage or policy the insured has bought. So premium for the insurance is determined by on the basis of two factors: the frequency of claim, the severity of the claim. So cost of each claim. So these are the two questions which usually asked in any of the testing interview. And for the insurance domain, you cannot just go for an interview without having a domain knowledge. You should have a domain knowledge, because in this this type of organization which works on insurance and everything, it has a huge impact of their business. So whatever you do, and testing play a very crucial role in terms of business, because every part, every module has to be tested, and with that we need a knowledge to how to test it and how, because that is very important. That testing itself is a very important thing, because there's one changes or one miss can cause a huge loss. So that is the thing, and it has market standards, market reputation that company has to hold it, because if one mistake can cause a lot of thing in the product, like one mistake in the production can cause a lot, like huge loss for an organization to do it. And for the insurance companies, there are a lot of competition in the market, so that's when testing plays a very important role. And one must have a good knowledge in the insurance domain, that will add a benefit, or it will give you a good good exposure to test the application. So yeah, how to test the insurance domain application. So as we all know, the insurance industry is widely categorized into different sectors, right? So like life insurance, automobile insurance, property insurance, health insurance, etc. And on the other hand, there are some complex functionality involved, like policy administration, claim, underwriting, etc., which makes the insurance domain much different from other domains. So each and every insurance company relies more on various type of softwares that will help them to run their business, and this software applications help them in creating a new policy, enrollment of members, policy administration, etc. So insurance domain overview, if we go, so okay, so that's when what I said is software testing is very crucial one for an insurance application. Testing proves that whether application is fit for use or not, and it performs the end-to-end flow. Will be coming this thing for creating a new policy till the final claim settlement. So all the insurance company are maintaining IT infrastructure and are considering that they have also made an investment to ensure whether their application runs successfully in a real time or not. So testing is like proves the robustness of an application, right? What testing give you, what the benefit it will give you. It's like the application will be robust, right? And hence the insurance, insurance testing, insurance domain testing is like a very most significant one. So I'll give you the overview of how the domain works. So it's like it's widely categorized into, as I said, different sectors: life insurance, automobile insurance, property insurance, health insurance, etc. So I think which I have already told you about this thing. So we'll move to the next slide. So what is the important of testing here? So creating a new policy till the final clean settlement. So application is fit for use and for end-to-end flow. Testing an insurance domain application is necessary to ensure if the insurance product is as per the local customer requirement or not. So as we see, like nowadays, like insurance industry is widely spread across various areas: life, car, health, property, etc. So with such a wide range of coverage, they have several softwares or product as per the end user. Okay. So end user needs. So at times there are chances of some insurance product to move well quickly in one part of a country, or move slowly in some part of a country. So with such a huge variation, insurance company consider the demand of their local customer and create products according to their needs. So that's how people like things works, right? According to their needs, organizations develop or create or implement new products, right? Or maybe launch new product. So now testing becomes a complex task where such a requirement where product features vary ultimately across right? It will change ultimately across same country. So testing an insurance domain application is necessary to ensure the insurance product is as per the local customer requirement or not. Isn't it? So, okay. So in this current digital world, each insurance company use different technologies to maintain the software. So in this video, I just wanted to guys listen to me, because there are a lot of things in the insurance domain, and as everyone knows, there's a lot in the insurance domain. So I request you to at least listen to me, so that I think whatever you will listen, and I'm trying to cover the video, I'll try to make the video as short, so that people will not spend most of the time in that. But this important points I've already covered in the slide. But the most of the things I'm keep on saying, as I cannot put everything on the slide. So there are something which we need to listen to out and understand it. So that's why I'm saying all those things, so that you can easily understand what I've put into the slide. So just give some time, at least the video is short, so you can give some time to listen what I'm saying, and understand it, what exactly it is. Okay, and this whatever in this video will surely help you in any of the interview. So yeah, this is important, guys. So you have to be listen to me. So in this current digital world, each insurance company use different technologies to maintain softwares, right? Which in turn they help, like what happens, why it is we are doing that. So first is improve customer satisfaction. So that is the most important thing. And on the other hand, we have to reduce the cost. So reduce the cost and giving the customer satisfaction, that is the need of an any organization. So okay, so even insurance company works on mobile applications as well. Okay, so they are working on it. So how to test the different modules to test an insurance application? So insurance companies is spread across different businesses areas like policy administration, underwriting, claim management system, etc. So these are the things which people has to know about it, and these are the things where every insurance company has it. So when you're giving interview, you should know these terminologies. Okay, so each area has its own process and standard to be followed. So testing of a claim admin system, and this is very important that you need to know, because any of the organization, any of the insurance organization you work in, and you have to work on this module. So testing of a claim admin system involves claim life cycle, claim assessment, claim processing and transaction, policy surrender processing, maturity processing, and payout setup. So these are the process, and these are the modules, and these are the system involved. If you go for claim module, claim admin system, that is an application which you have to test it. So these are the modules are there, and you have to test all those modules, and these are the process involved in that. So this is how it is. Okay, so we'll move to the next one. So few functionalities are listed below, and these are the functionality, and these you have to, because when in an interview they'll be asking you these questions. And what happens here, guys, when you work as a testers, when you work on any of the organization or any of the application, this thing you have to do it day to day. Like every day you have to do the same thing. Like for example, I need to create an order and I have to see the order is creating and the billing process is happening. For example, Myntra. I'm testing a Myntra application. So for example, I have to do the order, I have to check the billing thing. So I have to add the filters, and if I have to filters, and I have to check, like for example, I have to order one top. Okay, so I'm ordering top. I'll see the one process is like one positive scenario or simple scenario is like I'll search top for women's and I'll search some of the tops and see, and I'll do the payment. That is the one way. The payment thing also have to check it. So that I'll just tell you the flow how it is. So once how to order it. So when I have to go order, I can able to apply the filters. So different filters are there. So I'm able to apply it. So there's a gender thing which should come, and I'm able to filter it out that I wanted a woman or thing. So all those things are clickable for me, and all those things are working. Okay, if I'm scrolling all those pages and I can see the number of the products or in the screen, when I'm opening it, I can see the different pages of the product, and I can see the complete details of the product with the price tags and everything. So those things. And then when I go to bill, I'm able to do the different modes of payment or whatever. I'm able to update my address. So these things I'm doing day to day, right? I'm just not going into deep into it. So these things I'm doing every day. So I can know in this page, this is what I'm doing. Okay. So every day you will be doing, so you must be remembering those things, right? So these are the things, these are the functionality listed below. And there's some more, maybe different than that. So you should know about it, because in the interview, when I'm saying that you should sound that insurance domain knowledge, so you should be knowing everything. You should have it, right? You cannot go and fake it. So that is the thing. So policy workflows or policy life cycle, financial and non-financial transactions, document management and processing, coverage change, premium due date alert, cancellation renewal of policy, modification of customer personal details, policy lapse processing. So I think these are the things which you need to, and I'm holding on every slide so that you can even read it if you don't want to listen to me. So that is the thing. So now risk management plays a key role in the success of any insurance company. So they are risk, right? So from testing perspective, the following pointers to be considered while testing. So what are the challenges and what things you keep on mind while you're testing it? That will be the question of an interviewer. So quick and detailed quote to their customer, provide benefit details to the customer, check the race system structure of the competitors, badge, job schedule and run. So these are the things which you have to remember as a tester. Okay, so tips to test the insurance domain application. So one is role management. So this role management is very important, guys. Okay, so role management, every organization has role management, permission of an application. So there are different roles and permission given to each agent and broker, as we call them as a user, who performs and complete their task and then goes to the next phase. No two user will have the same roles or permission, which will create a conflict during the task completion. So, for example, let us consider the below roles and roles and the responsibilities. If any of the roles and responsibilities goes incorrect in the production, then it will create a huge mess for an insurance company. First, so there are things like, for example, we will be doing, what are the important points, like policy code system has it. Like for example, you do 3 steps. You did it, validate the rate structures, will help them to generate helps in generating code, validate the plan according to the customer rate, verify the effective date, policy effective date. Okay, so these are the 3 things you have done. For example, insurance agent submits the application for insurance policy to according to the insurance policy to customer. Insurance underwriter evaluate the risk and decide whether to accept the application or reject it. Who will do that? So these are the very important. Insurance agent submit the application, right? Insurance underwriter evaluate the risk and decide whether he has to accept it or not. Upon the acceptance of risk and application, the policy is being created as per the benefit or plan requested by the customer. The policy creation is performed using insurance company software application. Now imagine if any of the process or the steps goes wrong, and if the policy is created with the plans where which were not requested by the customer, right? Or if the access is granted to the insurance agent for application acceptance or rejection. So if anything goes wrong in the real world, then the insurance company loses its faith in the market, and it's become a tough for them to continue their business. This will be the huge loss to the insurance company. They may even lose their market defender. So the software testing plays a very important role in an insurance application testing. So as I told you, right? So as I here, if it is here, it is mentioned. So there are many things, right? As I told you the example, so roles and permissions are granted to the appropriate user, and the end-to-end flow is performed correctly or not. Software testing is essential to avoid these type of mistakes in the business, or the end-to-end user accept the final quality of the insurance product or insurance software application. So there are various areas like claim, annuities, policy administration, quoting system, rating engine, etc., where these roles and permissions are required. So these are the things which you have to remember, like where roles and permissions are required. So information and interface. While testing an insurance application, you need to verify if the information is updated correctly throughout the front end, as well as it will store properly in the backend system or database. Also, the saved information is fetched without any error on the front end of the database. Okay, there's a third factor which is called third number factor. So these are the factors which is very important, and when this will be the question like what are the factors you need to consider while testing an insurance domain application. So yeah, that's it. Insurance is a number game. Many entities in the insurance domain are sensitive to these numbers. A small change in the premium may cause a big difference in the end result. So check all the decimal points, and appropriate mathematical calculation are important in insurance application testing. And the fourth is the date factor. So, and what are the date factors? Like effective date. Okay, much crucial thing, right? So, one second, I think. Okay, and this one is the fifth one. Codes get generated and the customer accepts those code. Policy number is generated with the appropriate plan in it. All personal details and policy details are updated in the policy admin system. Members and their dependents are enrolled under the respective policy. An appropriate commission is generated in the system. Broker must be able to view their customer information through the front-end application. Customer must be able to view and modify their details through the online portal. So these are the points you have to consider while testing it, and these are the tips which is you have to be considering while testing an application. Okay. Performance testing. So I think performance testing is like nowadays very much important. You have to think, from the business perspective, right? So how you need to go beyond the limits and think out of the box to identify the defects and everything. So this performance testing also have a different checkpoints and like application has a different checkpoints and complexity, right? And there are critical areas of claim management, policy admin, member or broker front-end application on which maximum transactions or activities are carried out. So performance testing, like for example, claim management, policy admin, member or broker front-end application, where we need it, okay, performance testing. So how to, there are various activities like multiple claim process, multiple policy renewals on the same day, a broker application submitted continuously through the front-end application. So it is important to test if the server is responding appropriately or not. For example, in an insurance application needs to be tested with many claims, let's say 1,000 at a time from multiple hospitals, and ensures that system process all claims successfully. So with the load testing, it is possible, right? We can check the threshold limit and stress testing. What you can do, right? We can do the threshold limit, we can check, and we can ensure the maximum peak limit of a transaction at which system fails and recover from where it fails. So we can use multiple tools, Roadrunner, we can increase the virtual users, and we can check that. So performance testing give you the benefits of 100% test coverage for your software, guaranteed at faster time to market, continuous assurance, and pay as you go pricing. So these are the benefit you will get it. God. Okay, test scenarios for insurance application testing. So I think this video is big, and yeah guys, you have to have some patience. So my suggestion is to watch half video and then watch again another half video, so which will help you to. So I'll be explaining challenges and automation perspective, maybe orally. I don't have a slide for that, so I think I should have covered that also. So verify if the customer is test scenarios for insurance application testing. So verify if the customer is able to enroll in the policy benefit successfully. These are the test cases or maybe just test scenarios which you have to cover. Verify if the system allows modifying the existing policy for the addition of new coverage or plan. Verify the system is able to modify or update the customer personal details. The system should be able to cancel the policy. Verify if the agent commission is calculated correctly. Verify that when the payment is made from then the amount to be paid, then the extra amount should be reverted back to the customer. Verify if the system is able to process the payment through NEFT, check method, etc. Verify if the process of NPIN charge is completed successfully. Verify if a new pay is successfully updated in the system. Verify if any error messages display while adding incorrect rider code in the policy. Verify if the riders are added successfully to the existing policy. Verify if the member enrollment is processed successfully for the policy. Verify if the rates are generated as per the policy plan and structure. Verify if the policy generated in the agent system is automatically available in the quoting system. Okay, verify if the policy amendment is processed successfully. Verify the in-force coverage on the policy. Verify if the policy can be searched using the policy number or the policy name. Verify if this policy renewal is processed successfully as per the customer request. Verify if the proposal is generated successfully for the associated policy plan and sent to the policy holder. Verify if the claim is processed successfully. Verify if the policy effective date is updated by adding a new plan. So these are the scenarios which you have to cover. At least you should know 12 to 15 scenarios. So I think you should know 10 plus scenarios. So thank you guys, and before that I'll just cover the challenges in insurance application testing. So insurance application is a complex and critical one. So this will be the question: what are the challenges you faced while testing an insurance application? So it's a complex and critical, right? There are various challenges involved during the application testing. So plus time, people, process, technology, regulatory and compliances, and competition. So these are the challenges if you see as an organization perceptions. So, and in each testing phase, right, what is the, as a tester, what are the, okay, time. So in each testing phase, an application should be available in correct time for testing, so that every testing team will get sufficient time to test an application thoroughly, right? And then what testing impacted is like a process. So quality process and best practices help in project in its successful implementation, right? Ignoring such processes and practice may cost huge for the project. So many organizations having lack of best practices and process may tend to fail. And then technology also. So different tools and technologies help to reduce the overall cost of the project, right? In today's world, digital world, it may not be possible for every project to implement these tools and technology. So there are various reasons behind it, such as the cost of the tool, knowledge of technology or the tool, right? So, and I think, yeah. And one more thing is people, right? Many organizations have a lack of testers with the knowledge in insurance domain, right? Domain knowledge is very important, as I told, from end-to-end perspective, as they will be aware of all the business process. And there was one more thing, that is, for automation, right? What automation testing in insurance domain. So I think there was some organization which highlighted the insurance industry is facing a significant disruption on traditional business model, can possess a challenge to the industry. So if effective testing carried out in early application can significantly reduce the number of defects in production, right? So there are three parts to automate an insurance application in the software. I think creation of automation framework, writing business test scenario, and assessing the testing state of a software. So I think these three things will help you, like consistency. Key benefit will be having consistency. We need continuous testing, right, to test an application where in every modifications of the functionality. It is possible with the help of automation testing to run a test suite without manual effort. So that will give you the advantage of that. Reusability, you can reuse those that test and reduce the cost. Speed up the time to market, like you can do you can save your time and you can deliver the things, you can save your testing time basically. And now automation has become highly scalable and easy to maintain. So I think we can use automation, and this will be the benefit we have it. How we can do it, that you can see the application, you can analyze how you can do that. So that's about it, guys. Like, finally I've done this video, and thank you so much for watching it. And as I told you, please guys, listen to me. I have put in a lot of efforts into it, and there are a lot of things which I have said and may help you in an interview if you listen to me. And if you don't want also, that is also fine. You can see the slide, and if you want, I can share the slide. So you know the drill. You have to put your mail ID and you have to ask me, and maybe you put your mail ID also, I will send it out to you. And I have shared a couple of slides with this. Then this slide is very important, so I can share with you. Just have to comment your mail ID in this video so that I can get it right. I can get your mail ID and I can send it to you. So this is the first thing. And second is, yes, you can see more videos on insurance domain, maybe other videos you can also watch, where you can see how to test that. And I think if you go through with this, you will be able to understand about the insurance domain, and this will surely help you in your interviews. So that's about it. And my next video will be coming on performance testing, guys. So I'll be making on different tools, how we can test that, and there will be interview questions on performance testing. So that will be the video. So stay tuned for that, and thank you so much. Please share, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.